Hi guys! Today I'm going to unbox the gift for my birthday. Charan! Let's see what is inside. Let's start with this one. There's a paper, but let's start with this one. He is very excited yesterday when he gave it to me. He says, open now He said, tomorrow na. I will make a video. Charan! Oh my god, it's an earring. Oh, peridot, emerald, and diamond. If it is real. So, how I can try? I have my ear is full of no space. I will try later after the video, okay? So I can change also the style. So what is this? Maybe it's a receipt I have to pay. No, it's a certificate. It's a certificate. You know, that the stone is real. Stone is real and it is diamonds. Diamonds and gold, real gold. Certificate, not receipt. Thank you, Auntie. I love you. Mwah! 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 I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. And this is from Peter. Let's see what is inside. It has also paper. But we start with this one. Charan! What is inside? Ay, here pala. Like this. Ano ba to? Maybe it's like this only. But it has here. It's an earring too. Look. Maybe they bought for me. They thought that they want to buy for me an earring because some are big. Look. Maybe this is silver. They know I'm not wearing silver. But it's nice. It's really nice. So, it's a heart. I need love. Thank you, Peter. He's so kind to me, Peter says, when he gave this to me, he said, you deserve it because you're a kind person. That's what he said to me. What is this? He bought it in Orobebo. He bought it in Orobebo. Yeah, Orobebo nga. And this is a certificate. It's a real diamonds and, certificate of this one. You really need a certificate with the stone to guarantee that it is real. But I will need it later. This certificate I will put in my bag for my flight, I have a new earring. I can make design because you know I'm not really happy with the design of my ear. You see, look. It's too big. I like a smaller one. I was always complaining. Maybe that's the reason they have bought for me. That I need a smaller. And here, from my neighbor Renata, she gave it to me. Happy birthday daw. She said yesterday, happy birthday. So, here is inside. Tea. Tea. What's this? Thai curry? Curry? Curry. Tea. Also tea. Lemon tea. She knows I like tea. Different flavor. Candles. She always giving me candles. I have already so many candles like this. When it is dark, it is nice. What's this? Beer? I'm not drinking. Oh, this is beer, diba? 11% alcohol. I'm not drinking. My goodness. But she doesn't know that I'm not drinking. It has another one, a glass. What is this? Oh, ay, it's so cute. Tara, thank you, Renata. She's so kind. She always give me gift my birthday. I never give her gift. I don't know her birthday. Tara. Okay. That's all I have, guys. And I have bought also gift for myself, but it is in Philippines. It's nice. Ayan. So, okay. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.